Hey, 1378, you are up in my radio. Go, go, go. Lucky Duck high-fiving you, bud.
Well, I appreciate it there, Lucky Duck. Oops, that's about 300, swinging about 950 there, Bree.
Yeah, that's nice sounding. That's good.
Yeah, I was just waiting for Mother Nature to come around so I can get you there, Bree.
Now, I don't know if you had to worry about Mother Nature, man. You're doing just fine on that. So you're 3 and 9 right now, you say?
Yeah, it's 3 and 9. If you watch your meter, I'll turn it off.
Yep, it's I'm watching it and recording. Go ahead.
Okay, that's back down to my 20 watts.
Cool beans, cool beans. You'll see it. Okay, do it again. This is going to be a good video for sure, man. This is cool.
10-4. Alright, well, at least we know it works there.
Alright, now try that high key like you were saying on the FB there.
Say again?
Oh, where you go 4 and 17.
Alright, there's the high side. I doubt that you'll tell the difference.
Oh, I don't know if my meter can go anymore. It's kind of blurry. I'll get this posted up here in just about 10 or 15 and you can see it there. Okay there, Rich?
Sounds good to me.
Yeah, when you key up, man, there's no background singers. That's pretty nice. That Henry's the bad dude, man.
Well, I had to put a fan on it there, so I kind of got my audio squashed down a little bit, because that's my background noise right now. So I kind of turn it down a little bit.
Yeah, that's cool. Alright, 1378, you sounding real choice, man. I like it. Like I said, I'll get this video here up in here in just a little bit for you.
Alright, well, if you hear that other kid, tell him I can hear him a little bit on that stand. Anyway, Mr. Lucky Duck, it's always a pleasure. 1378, back up to 300 bird. I'll see you. Hey, good afternoon to you, 51. You're sounding good too there, Bree. Okay, 51. Yeah, between this being down and having to work a lot and, being sick, I just haven't had enough time to do radio there.
Mr. Twister, sounding choice, Southern Oregon, Lucky Duck waving break.
You're out there in Cali, 1378, Oklahoma City. I'm back quiet.
That sounds good, Rich.
How about that?
1378, did you do something different there? That audio was really clean. That was nice.
Hey, that was a train wreck. No, I didn't do anything different to my audio, other than I got my Henry back in line, so it may have made it a little bit more pronounced there, Rick.
Cool beans. Alright, Lucky Duck waving one more time, 1378. I'm going to go get this posted up. I'll be back in a bit. I'm sure you probably didn't hear me.
You survived that pile up there, 278. You take care up there around the Golden Gate Bridge, 1378, with the foot problem. I'll see you.